Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Namaskar, welcome to AICT Insights, a diverse show on innovation, education, startups, entrepreneurship, and much more. In this episode of AICT Insights, we will discuss the AICT QIP PG Certificate Program in Emerging Areas, a significant initiative for the academic development of faculty members belonging to core engineering discipline. To discuss more on this, we have Dr. Sanjay Pratihar from IIT Kalyani and Dr. Sudhakar Modern from IIT Jammu. Welcome to the show, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, first question would be, what was the emerging area at your institute and how many participants enrolled for the program? To you, sir.
So, I am from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kalyani. In our institute, we had the course on blockchain and cyber security, and number of participants for the program were 34 this time.
And at IIT Jammu?
Namaste. So I am Sudhakar from IIT Jammu. So we had 50 students. So we are participating in the emerging area of Internet of Things, which is the more popular at present. Yeah.
So what was the emerging area at your institute?
It was blockchain and cyber security.
It was blockchain. Can you give us an overview how this AICT QIP PG certificate program was structured and executed at your institute?
So actually, once we received the notification from AICTE this time, so frankly speaking, we didn't get much time to prepare for that in this year. But even that, with the proper involvement of our faculty members and the topmost administration, we could manage it properly. And in the course curriculum, we had subjects or courses like data science, blockchain, cyber security, and also some basic courses of computer programming, data structures like that. And overall, we managed to design the course properly, and it was a good curriculum.
Yeah.
So from IIT Jammu, so the IoT course, because it is basically interdisciplinary, the participants are interdisciplinary as well as the instructors are interdisciplinary. So we have the participants from chemical engineering, mechanical, electronics, electrical. The faculty is from electronics and CSE as well as industries. So we had me, Dr. Sudhakar, Dr. Siddharth from CSE, Dr. Shefu from CSE, and we have Dr. Samvit from California, US, as well as Professor Gaurav from IIT Bombay. These are the instructors, and we make it as much as hands-on. So the students can do more on hands-on perspective, as well as they made the projects up to a level of TRL 7 to TRL 9. So we had the showcase the things to our director as well as AICTE director to make it successful. Yeah.
So, sir, what was the response of faculties who enrolled for the program? Were they excited?
Yes, it was a very good response we have received. In the initial days, we were thinking of that how actually the teachers are coming up from the different parts of the country, how will we manage to means in all aspect, like their accommodation, foodings, and after that the curriculum obviously. So they enjoyed it a lot, and we also enjoyed at our side. So it was a proper management or organization, you can say.
So what was the overall enthusiasm at IIT Jammu?
So as you know, the Jammu is the top IIT
Yeah.
in terms of height as well as in terms of the map. So the location is very greenery, and the campus is very new. The students has enjoyed the facilities, and luckily the most of the students are from the south. So they came to the north and they experienced that different geographical area. They loved the location as well as in terms of learning. So we have the amalgamation of all the aspects of industry, academia, and different collaborations. We made it very interactive, and the students able to experience it, and they are now taking it to their colleges, and they already started the new courses, new labs in their institutes, and they are telling that the feedback they are receiving, we are very happy for that.
So, sir, was it challenging to conduct the program in hybrid mode, and how did you ensure smooth coordination in conducting the classes in both offline and online mode?
Okay, in my opinion, I think that the duration of the offline part can be increased, and on the online part, as the faculty members involved at the institutes, they are being involved aside or beside their other curriculum activities, and normally it was being organized by many of the institutes mainly in the evening time or in the afternoon after 5 p.m. 6 p.m. So sometimes it looks like that the that timing is not very proper. Can it be something like offline mode hours can be increased and online hours can be decreased? So that will be a fruitful thing, I guess.
So, it's a kind of a suggestion.
Yeah. Yes.
Was it challenging at IIT Jammu, the mode of the program? And apart from just the mode, what are the other challenges you faced while conducting the program?
So, in terms of conducting the program, so offline classes which happened in July, so it was smooth. Then we asked the students, you come up with one slot which is suitable for you, so that they came up with daily 12:30 to 1:30. So it went very well smooth till the ending. The only part is the traveling part. So they has to take off from their regular load, and they has to take the leave applications from their institutes. We want more enforcement on the institutes to allow them to able to take this very effectively. So that is the main suggestions from our side.
And other challenges, did you face any challenges? Apart
As
from
challenges, we didn't face much because the students basically they are enthusiastic, so we didn't face much challenges from our side. Yeah.
So overall, what was the feedback of the students after they completed the program?
So they are very happy, and they are able to see the products mostly because our course is mostly on hands-on. They are from civil mechanical. They applied the IoT technology in their core branches, and they came up with the projects which are of hands-on. So overall, they are very happy, and they go to their colleges with the learning of IoT, and now they are implementing the IoT in their students and their course levels. So they are very happy for that.
Any successful story from your institute?
We have noticed some good amount of means carrying out of project works.
Okay.
So what at the initial level, but we have seen that they may be taken towards the publication type of things also. So we have seen some types of project works at the end. So that was something good, because in the feedback we have heard from many candidates that participants that at the beginning days they were actually afraid that how these AI ML things, computer science, programming, data structure, all these things they will be means comfortable with. But at the end, towards the end of the semester or course, so they have mentioned it that they are now quite comfortable with data structure programming and these AI modules, machine learning modules or technologies. So that is something good and encouraging, I think.
So did you guys give any sort of hands-on experience? If yes, can you elaborate the practical exposure they got while getting trained at your institute?
So in terms of, as I said, so we had 5-6 projects which are oriented towards to the social relevant problems and related to their fields. So we have e-bike, which is of TRL 7 level, as well as we had a robot which will go through the campus and detect who are the students moving out of the classes, and they'll give the alarm to the HODs and all these things. So as well as child care system, where parents are away. So the childs will be secure position. So if somebody comes, it will detect that whether that person is related to or not related, so that it will open or close the lock and all these things. And in terms of civil part, they came up with the structure monitoring system by using IoT. So they can monitor the bridges, and you can see that it is very smart India and the smart cities side. So IoT is the main part. So mechanical part they has able to make, civil part they are able to make smart homes, smart cities. So we are able to bring the projects which are relevant to their core discipline with the IoT technology, how we can make it smart. So with this, they are very satisfied with the outcomes actually.
So how do you see this overall program of AICTE QIP PG certificate is contributing to the improving the technical education of India?
Yes, so that is means the great point to discuss. So I think that with a population of 1.5 billion, so India has lots of possibilities and you can say prospects. And as we are going towards industry 4.0 or industry revolution of the next grade or next stage, so these things when you discuss, then obviously for this large population, a significant improvement in the AI ML side must be there.
Yeah.
Otherwise, in the economy, will not be able to contribute in that much or in that level. So that is only possible when across the country, all the educational institutes are actually which are core branches. Core branches teachers are actually given that skill or the training so that they can further propagate it to the students of those core branches. So that can basically, so how we know that maybe out of this big initiative by the IICT, 1-2 unicorns can be created someday by 5 years or 10 years. So that will be great. So 1-2 such creation will be the contribution to the country.
What's your take on this?
So upskilling and reskilling, that is the need of the hour. So this AICT put up the seed by TG Sitaramji by this initiative. So this seed will grow much in multiplication factors. So now one institute can train 50 candidates. Those 50 candidates can go to their colleges and each one can train hundreds of students. So like that, the main objective of reskilling and upskilling in emerging areas will make an impact. And as we said, so all the big nations like USA, UK, they are leading in it. So now it is India who has to lead the world. So with this type of skills, many things will come up in future.
And to continue this upgradation, we are now coming with the management QIP PG certificate program as well.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Professor Sanjoy and Professor Sudhakar, for sharing this valuable insights with us. It's truly inspiring to see how AICT's initiative are empowering faculty members and enhancing technical education in India. Once again, thank you for joining us and for sharing your valuable contribution to this program. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.